Welcome back to my channel, Buildbright-tech. Today we are dividing into something exciting. Let's build it code and it's make us smart. Radar detector is an electronic device used to detect whether vehicle is being monitored by police or law. Radar gun. Radar guns emit radio waves to measure a vehicle speed and radar detector alert drivers when such signals are detected, help them slow down and avoid speeding tickets. The radar detector walk, scanning the surrounding air space for electromagnetic signals in specific frequency band, receiving radar signals emitted by radar guns. Let's start. Firstly, we are going a Chrome browser and open here processing. So processing in our description link is also available, and download your processing window, and 4.4.1 is a version, so please wait here. When your software installed successfully, then finish it, and you will need to change some settings. So first command is accept, then next, and here is some value showing. So typical is a perfect, and I selected one by one all, and wait for your processing 4 is opened, and this is a icon, and I want to maximize of my software, and here is a platform of your code radar is running. So first you need to code, and code in your code descriptions available, and here are two codes, Arduino code and processing code, where is showing your radar is working or not in graph. So I code in description and I copy this code, and all you need to first line delete, then go to Arduino code and copy this code and paste in Arduino software. And I paste my code is here like this. And if you want to learn excited projects, so please watch all the videos and don't be skip your video, and please go to tools and select your port, which port is your in Arduino connected. So I selected my port and change your Arduino board. It's Arduino Uno I am using. If you use Arduino Lilypad, Nano, Mega, so please change your Arduino in tools. So I have Arduino Uno, so I select Arduino Uno, and all you need line this, then need to verify your code. So I click on verify, and wait here some time. Okay, so my code is verified perfectly. So again I want to upload my code, so I click here and upload my code, and code will transfer to my Arduino microcontroller perfectly. So and I want to go again processing software. So this is my processing software. Oh wait, sorry. So here is again need to delete my first line and select port and change your port. So my port is I11, so I change my port is here com and all our setting is perfect, then you go to try to solve your problem. So I run this code and you will see it, the screen is not working because some changes need in your code. So which code अब हम आगे देखेंगे. So still wait 2 or 3 seconds, it's a taken time, and your file is not open because your port is not selected, and need to change your code in Arduino and processing port. And you will check your port, which type of ports, port 1, port 2, port 3, any type of port, and this port will be changed in your code of processing. And so again I go to Arduino software and see which port is showing here. So I'm going here tools, then port, and waiting for some time because it's not working properly. So okay, I'm going here and found here where is a port showing. So okay, so my port is 11 now. Finally my graph is working. So I try to show you, and when some object is in front of ultrasonic sensor, thus shown some colors like red color, and when you are green, all graph are showing a green, it means you are in front of our ultrasonic sensor is empty, no enemy, no object in front of Arduino ultrasonic sensors. So here is showing some angles and distance, and 150, 120, 90, 60 and 30, and here is some distance 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter, then 40 centimeters is a distance as well as. So I try to proper showing my circuit connections, and all circuit connection is available in my. Thank you for watch my full video.